Hello guys, today I just want to not even share my opinion. I'll show you here. I don't know if you can see. I want to show you where we are right in terms of Bitcoin and what I personally believe is going to happen and why I'm pushing the time to come a lot sooner than people expect. So, firstly, let me just put myself on the screen. Alright. So, starting with this very important spread graph. As you can see right here, BTC has been normalized to the dollar and to gold, with other normalizations for the dollar itself. And if you have a look, the pattern and the action, the price movements, are quite different, but not so much. You wouldn't be able to tell with the naked eye. However, you can just see that the levels are slightly different. So this area of resistance that has been particularly strong for the spread graph is quite strong for the normal graph as well, but we have passed it by quite a margin already. However, here, considering the normalization of Bitcoin's price to gold and Dixie, we're only about to hit it now, and we've actually hit it, rebounded from it. We have a look here on a 3-day chart. The 3-day graph has started yesterday. We're now halfway through it, more than halfway through, and it looks like it's going to continue the downfall all the way to the bottom. And why I think that this resistance is actually a reversal for Bitcoin is because of its long-term pattern, long-term channel that has been built. Using the Elliott wave theory analysis, we've confirmed that we have this change to max, so you guys can see better. And then we already had the first wave, second, third. That's from one of my subscribers. The first wave here, second to the bottom, third up, fourth down, fifth up. And now we are in our ABC pattern. The completion of the C will depend on the levels and the time frame we're currently in right now. After every single time we've been in the middle of the Bitcoin's bull run, it's been actually very close to the halving of Bitcoin. You guys probably can see the dates are very similar. We had one in 2016, right at the beginning of it. We had one in April 2020. And we had one way before, which was in 2010, I'm pretty sure. But still, it's very close. It's a very close estimation. After every single time we've hit the halfway point of a bull run, we've had a little go to the down. Every single time by just a little bit, or 50% isn't a stretch, I'd say. Here, and we even had it tiny bit here, but no matter what, after 50 to 150 days, based on the last 3 impulse bull runs that we've had a confirmation of a bull run and a very strong one that continued, that did not have any bottoms after. So what confirmation are we waiting for here? First, this middle line has already been passed, and not only 150 days have passed. We've had, I'm not sure why it's showing this. Let's into this. We're almost at the 150 point line. We are not quite there yet. It does not seem like Bitcoin would like to rally the way it did before. If you can see after these middle points of the bull runs, of the average bull runs, has been going down every single time without a fail, except for this time. This time it actually went up. So this is just a little hint that the market is throwing at us. So yeah, right now I believe we're at not just local highs, but at all-time highs that we're going to see at least until 2026. That's my estimation. And we're just going to have to see what it turns out to be without matter on. And based on this, I've derived roughly from percentages and from Fibonacci's as well what our take profits could be likely at. So looking at a 24, 26K range, um, could go lower. However, that would be very risky to assume so. And one other thing is we've had, well, I had, let me find it. If I have a look at this ribbon, and I remember setting my ribbon to 500 on 11 days. Maybe it was 3 days. Yes, it was 3 days in fact. Okay, I'm not sure what it was. I'm gonna get back with this main line that I'm trying to find. But I'm not sure. Either way, there's been exactly 711 days on average since this point was hit. The MA I was looking for would hit it here beautifully, but this gives us an estimation that round about October to November, Bitcoin will have its low here, meaning that a very significant drop is anticipated from this level. Now we're just gonna have to wait for the movement to start. All the confirmations are there, technically and fundamentally, on the stock market not performing that well. So yeah, I'm gonna save the stream for the future. We're gonna have to see what's gonna happen. Yeah.